Yeah, welcome back. So in this class, I'm going to show you how to design with Gemini and ChatGPT. So I'm going to be using both of them side by side. So first of all, I'm going to create a prompt. So this prompt you are seeing here now is a prompt I created. So this prompt, I will give this prompt to ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT will help me write 5 different flyer design for me. Don't worry, this prompt I will send it on the just comment prompt and I will send you the prompt I use. So this prompt now, I asked ChatGPT to design to give me 5 prompt. All right, I use this prompt to ask ChatGPT to give me 5 different prompts I can use to create flyer. All right, and these flyer are both a church flyer, wedding program. So you can see I differentiated them. Give me a church flyer, graphic design service flyer, wedding invitation flyer, online free class flyer, and graduation flyer. So ChatGPT now is going to go ahead and create this is a church program flyer. This is a graphic design flyer. So these are prompt for each of these flyers. That's what I asked him to do. All right. So he's going to give me 5 prompts. All right, he's done doing that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to copy the prompt. This is the first prompt, which is what church flyer. This is the second prompt, which is graphic design. So this is the prompt that ChatGPT created for me. So I'll go ahead and click on copy to copy it. The first thing I want to do is to go over to like I said, I'm using Gemini AI, and I'm going to be using ChatGPT as well. So I'll go to my Gemini AI. Gemini AI is ready. So that prompt ChatGPT gave to me now, I'm going to post it. All right, I'm going to post it on Gemini AI. Don't forget, you're going to click on create image before you can reach this part. So this is the prompt ChatGPT gave to me for a church flyer. I guess the first one is a church flyer. So this is the prompt. It says create a powerful and modern church flyer program flyer with a divine and inspirational atmosphere. All right, he talked about the background, this feature glowing heavenly lights and the clouds. So these are the things that ChatGPT. Now this prompt, I didn't create it. All right, I asked ChatGPT to create 5 different prompts for me. All right, so this particular one is for church program. So I'm going to just send it to Gemini AI and see what Gemini AI is going to produce with this prompt. So it usually takes at least 30 seconds for Gemini AI to load up. So we're just going to wait for it to load and see what it's going to. Now, what I want to do with this class is that I'm going to show you the side-by-side design. So we're going to pick one on the comment section, pick the ones you like. So this is what Gemini AI gave to us. You can see exactly, if you check the prompt very well. So I will send out the prompt in the comment section. Just comment prompt, I will send you the prompt. So this is what Gemini AI created from the prompt we got from ChatGPT. Now I'm still going to go ahead and paste that particular prompt on ChatGPT so that it can, I will just copy it back, go back to ChatGPT. Don't forget that you must click on your image so that it's not new chat. Just go to image. I'll paste it on ChatGPT. Now I'm going to submit this. So over here, I'm just going to wait for ChatGPT to load. So as you can see, it's currently loading. I just have to wait for ChatGPT to load up. All right, so it's almost done. As you can see, it's creating. It's loading. So you are going to pick between ChatGPT and Gemini AI. Which one do you think? So I want to see the difference between ChatGPT and Gemini AI. For me, I think I prefer ChatGPT. This particular design, I will give this one to ChatGPT. There's more. I think I prefer it than the Gemini. All right. So I'm going to click on the graphic design service flyer. All right. This is what Gemini AI gave to us. Though Gemini AI have image. Anyway, we'll review it at the end of the class. All right, so this is the prompt we got from ChatGPT. All right, so it's designed a high converting graphic design service flyer. So this is a flyer to show that you are a graphic designer and you want patronage. So you can just go through you can pause this video and go through it, or you can comment prompt. I will send it to you in the comment section. So you click on that and it will automatically send you, this is the prompt, this is the output of the prompt we sent to Gemini AI. It says get professional design that sell. So this is a write-up. Now you see the way the design is. This is how Gemini AI design. The design is looking. What I'm going to do now, we're going to check ChatGPT. We're going to see whether ChatGPT can give us something better than this. So I'm just going to go back to my ChatGPT. When I go over to my ChatGPT image creation, so here I'm going to check to see whether it can give us anything better than what. So it's the same prompt. So you can pause that video. You can pause the video to check it out yourself. So I'm using the same prompt. So just wait for it to load. Alright, so it's already loading up. So alright, it's blur because it's currently loading. So it's just coming down. Now you see it's almost the same design. But a little bit, okay, it's very different. It's different. You can see the design. So it's the same prompt. Don't forget, we are using the same prompt, but we are seeing different outputs. So I'm just trying to check this up to see which is better in creating graphic design. Is it ChatGPT or Gemini? Alright, this is wedding invitation flyer. I'll just copy that and go over to my Gemini. I'll paste it. So let me zoom that in so you see what ChatGPT gave to us. It said create a luxurious and romantic wedding invitation flyer. So this is what. So don't bother yourself about the prompts. You will get it once you comment prompts in the comment section. I will send it to you. Alright. Wow, this is lovely. This is what Gemini AI. This is an invitation, a wedding invitation. So those that are doing graphic design, how far? It's like AI is winning, but I believe AI can never win. Definitely. Because in order for you to create a beautiful flyer, even with AI, you need the knowledge of a graphic designer. So it's very important. So don't give up, graphic designer. All right. So we still copy the same prompt and brought it to ChatGPT. Let's see what ChatGPT is going to do with. All right, it's loading up. Wow, it's almost close. So you're seeing the difference between the design. So it's the same prompt, but they have different results, different outputs. Same prompt, different output. So this is an online flyer class. So this is a let's say you want to design a class for an online class which is free. So this prompt is what ChatGPT gave to us. It says design a bright and engaging online free class flyer. So that's the prompt. So mind you, this prompt contains everything that we need to know. All right. So the write-up on the banner, everything is in the prompt. So it's the same prompt that we're giving to Gemini AI. You can see the date is there, the time is there, the platform is Zoom using Google Meet or Google Meetup. You can see key topic and everything. So this is what the Gemini gave to us. So we are going to move over to ChatGPT, paste it on ChatGPT, and let's see what ChatGPT can do with this information. Okay, this is a free online class. You can see it's very bold. Now you can see that the design they are giving to us, they are very different. They didn't even come close. Like I think it's only the wedding invitation that came close, and I think and the first one we did, which is the church program, because I don't see the resemblance here. There's no resemblance here. So yeah, the same prompt. We give them the same prompt, but they are doing different things. And the reason why the flyer is standing, this portrait flyer. Now you can also decide on the prompt the size of the flyer you want. All right, so we didn't include that. That's why the flyer is just based on the prompt ChatGPT gave to us is to be a portrait design. Create a stylish and celebrity graduation flyer. Okay, this is for graduation. for celebrity graduation flyer. So you can see it's a black, gold, and white. You see the kind of description. So the prompt contains everything. So ChatGPT gave us the prompt that contains everything. So I don't know, they are giving us different results from the same prompt. So it's good you use multiple AI apps to get the best of the best results. All right, you know that they are not perfect, so you use multiple AI apps. So I think this one is okay. I think Gemini tried in this one. This is graduation celebration. All right, you're not supposed to put image there because that's not your image. Okay, so we are just going to come here and post it to Gemini, ChatGPT, sorry. So just wait for it to load. So it's currently loading. All right, okay, you can see what they are telling me now, that you have hit the limit for image creation. To get more, type for free or wait till, all right, till 12:40 a.m. All right, so the ChatGPT is telling us that we have finished exercise the amount of free design that we have for today, but we're still going to go ahead. It's still going to work. I guess this is the last design, something like that. So this is the last design, and you can see what he created for us. Now, can you compare this particular one with this other one, graduation? So drop it on the comment section. Which one do you prefer? Now, do you prefer this particular graduation from ChatGPT, or you prefer the graduation from Gemini AI? So which do you prefer? So I think Gemini AI used to add image. All right. One thing I discovered about Gemini AI, I love adding image to his design. So ChatGPT doesn't add image to his design. Now let's just go through all the designs that we have done so far. This for free class. Which one do you prefer between this free class of ChatGPT and that for Gemini? Just preview it. So this is the one for the program. Yeah, for the marriage invitation from Gemini AI. So let's go back to ChatGPT and see what it gave to us. So you can see, I think ChatGPT has a better design. I think so. But Gemini AI used to add some certain things to a design. It used to add pictures. It used to add maybe icon and some other things to the design. I also look at these professional graphic designers. So let's see. If I don't like that of ChatGPT, that of Gemini, I think I prefer this. I prefer what ChatGPT gave to me. So mind you, this is the same prompt giving us different results. So this is a wake-up call that you don't just rely on one particular AI app. Now for this particular one, I think ChatGPT did a lot of work here, but I prefer Gemini AI because Gemini AI gave us image. You can see ChatGPT is very empty. The background that is fine, and though the font is fine. Then Gemini AI gave us image. It didn't just only give us image, right? Now he also gave us the logo for the Facebook. Now ChatGPT did not give us any of these things. Now Gemini AI is giving us logo for the Facebook and the church logo. Gemini AI also, you can see that's the church logo. We didn't ask for that. It's not part of the prompt that ChatGPT created. You can see, but it automatically gave us IG and Facebook, and gave us I think Gemini AI is more precise and giving it more detailed information. I think ChatGPT, on the other hand, give you a very simple design. All right, it's not clustered, not congested, just very